everyone, welcome to my channel, Everyday I'm Mothering. So today I wanted to share with you our nature journaling that we use as an add-on to our homeschool. I really like including this because it gets the girls outside, they're experiencing all different kinds of nature, and they're getting to be creative with it. So in the past when I've done this, they've just used a plain notebook, composition journal, go out, whether it's just to a playground, a park, even some local gardens around here, or our family really enjoys hiking. Sometimes we'll go and do more of a hike, but they'll take their journals and they'll draw things that they see along the way that really interest them. We've used all different kinds of mediums, whether it's crayons, colored pencils, watercolor, or oil pastels. Anything that's different gets their creativity going. And I really like being able to put what they see onto the paper and really illustrate and get the colors and get the detail. We've also done leaf tracing. I want to do some more flower pressing this year. If they find neat things along the way, we've glued them into the journals. So we have a lot of fun doing this. And it's something that I want to make sure I'm scheduling more into our routine this year, so I make sure that we keep it up throughout the year. So like I said, in the past, I've just used plain spiral notebooks and composition notebooks. This year I want to do something a little bit more extra and cute. My girls really appreciate like the details and the little things. They get so excited about it. And they've been really into shows lately like Just Add Magic and other shows that are really whimsical and magical. So I thought if I could find a nature journal that kind of had that same feel. I wanted something that was leather, maybe that was wrapped in a cord, and something that they would just think was really neat and exciting. So I went online to try to find it, and I found these cutest little journals from Amazon. And I'll link all this down below so you can check them out in case you like it. I'm gonna surprise the girls with them today, and we're actually gonna go on a hike to one of our favorite places in the Nashville area, like Radnor. So I thought it'd be really fun to take these journals with us and let them draw and color some things that they see there along the way. Because we usually see a lot of wildlife and just really neat sceneries and plants. So now I want to show you what the journals look like before I show the girls. So these are what they look like, and I got two for the girls. I also got one for me because the girls really like it when I get involved and I do these things with them. I just think it's really nice to set by example and really try to do this kind of thing with them. So the journals are so cute. So you can see here it's wrapped with this little leather cord, and it's got a little leaf on it, and it just wraps right up in there and tucks to keep it closed. And I think this was the largest size. They came in two, and I believe this might be 7 inches, I think. But it's this nice soft leather, and I got mine in orange. They have lots of different colors, so I got the girls pink and purple since that's their favorite colors. But it has this really cute little design on it too, like engraved in the leather, little leaves. So it's very nature-esque, you know, in the way that it looks and the design, but it's this soft leather. They're gonna love having this wrap and this little cord. And I just think this looks so neat and precious and just makes it more fun. But the thing that I really like, so when you open it up, the pages inside are refillable. And this is a must for us because they go through this stuff so quick. And I don't ever want to limit them when we're out, you know, trying to tell them they can only use 1 or 2 pages and really get it right the first time. I really want them to feel free to express themselves, however many pages that takes, whatever it looks like. So this is nice because I don't have to worry about them using the whole notebook in one go anymore, or, you know, just in a short amount of time. So these you can buy refillable pages on Amazon and just plop them right back in. And then at the end of the year, you know, I can take out what they've done for the year, put it in our little binder that we use to like save all of our year homeschool worth of material, and then I can fill these up again and use them next year. So I am so excited about these, and I can't wait to give them to the girls. I think they're really gonna like them. So I'm gonna have like a neat little way, I think, to give them to the girls. I think I'm gonna wrap them up and hide them outside at our flower bed just to make it naturey and like a hunt. I don't know. I think it'll be fun. So I'm gonna let them find that, and then we're gonna go to Lake Radnor and go hiking, and I'll show you exactly what the girls do when they're using their journals. Girls, do you like doing nature stuff?
Uh-huh.
Do you like doing arts and crafts?
Uh-huh.
Do you like magic? Do you like fairies? Alright girls, I want you to go on a hunt for anything magical in nature you might find.
Okay. Like those leaves.
Start looking behind you.
There's a leaf. Let's go together. I see plants. What's this?
What is that?
It's their
What's it
leaves.
say?
Elena and Adeline.
What do they say on the back?
Fill my pages with the magic of nature's beauty. Let's open them. It's a leaf. Look what's mine, Charmin. Ooh, mine's a leaf too. How do you open them? You take the fluid. They're so purple. Mine's really
What do you think about these new nature journals for this year?
so pretty. They have leaves on them. And they're so fancy. Well, what size the fronts? I say this side. I think that too. They're beautiful. I said that plain side.
What's on them? What's on the front?
Leaves. And you can tie them.
Are you guys excited to fill these up? What all are you going to put in them?
Nature and magical things. Like if we see little rocks that look like they could lead to a fairy house, we write them down.
Oh, that'd be a good thing to put in there. Are you excited to use them on our hike today?
You're the best. They're magical, which means you can put like cobblestones or like a fairy house in them. And they're really cool. Do you see this little leaf? You want to touch the leaf? Pretty, right? I want to touch my leaf. Aren't they cool, Emmeline? You want to hold it? Do you want to hold it? I super duper duper. I have a full-grown one.
Adeline, what do you got?
An acorn.
Let me see. Adeline, what do you have?
2 acorns. One to keep and one to feed.
What?
One to keep and one to feed us reindeer.
Oh, okay.
houses.